In today's show, altcoins pop while Bitcoin looks for support near $50,000, and the Bitcoin dominance, as you can see right here, is at a 3-year low of 40.1%, as ETH dominance is at an all-time high currently at 19.9%. Also in today's show, as Bitcoin price staggers, whale wallets become an endangered species. That's right, the number of whale wallets is down 16% since February. Also, as Max Kaiser points out, the energy used to power Bitcoin is designed to kill central banks. Where the energy comes from is not important. Why? When central banks are gone, the total energy used globally drops by 3/4. If you don't understand this, you don't understand Bitcoin. Also in today's show, Mark Cuban responds to Elon Musk and says Bitcoin and crypto will benefit society and the environment. That's right, Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban says his NBA franchise will continue to accept Bitcoin as a payment despite Elon Musk's recent announcement that Tesla will not. Cuban tells his 8.4 million Twitter followers that as a store value, Bitcoin is in fact a better environmental alternative to gold. As he shares in this tweet, we at Mavs.com will continue to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge because we know that replacing gold as store value will help the environment. Shrinking big bank and coin usage will benefit society and the environment. And he references this article right here. Bitcoin does consume a lot of energy, but here's why it's worth it. Also in today's show, Analyst names top crypto assets beyond Ethereum and says that Bitcoin remains bullish despite the pullback. We're talking about crypto analyst Michaël van de Poppe, as he shares in this tweet. It's great to see the strength on altcoins. Yes, we've got some news regarding Bitcoin and Elon Musk, but essentially not much has changed. Markets are still bullish. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most of the major altcoins are currently correcting and in the red. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, I want to give a shout out to Femex, the fastest crypto exchange and futures trading platform. Here you can trade the top cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Chainlink, and Cardano. And they have a special promo running right now where you can receive up to a $2,000 deposit bonus by using my referral link in the description right down below. It's very simple to take advantage of it. Once you click the link, it'll take you here. You'll notice the invitation code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special bonus. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below, claim your bonus of up to $2,000, and let's start stacking those sats. Shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. Bitcoin continues to look for direction, but as this occurred, Ethereum and altcoins bounced higher from the May 13th sell-off. Dogecoin shocked investors with its 47% rally that kicked off after Coinbase announced that it would list Doge in the coming months. Doge price also rallied after Elon Musk tweeted that he is working with Doge devs to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. And while many altcoins have seen double-digit gains during the recovery, the price of Bitcoin has continued to languish near the $50,000 level, as well wallets containing at least 1,000 BTC have declined by 4.7% compared to the previous month, indicating possible profit taken or rotation into different assets. Data from Cointelegraph Markets and TradingView shows that while Bitcoin recovery has been muted, demand for Ethereum led to an 18% rally as the altcoin notched an intraday high of $4,173 on May 14th. And as I like to point out right here, the Ethereum dominance at an all-time high at 19.9%, while the Bitcoin dominance is at a 3-year low at 40.1%. Crazy to see the Ether dominance about 50% of the BTC dominance. And if we look at the market cap, Bitcoin is just above 900 billion, while Ethereum is above 450 billion. So literally half of what Bitcoin is at this moment. And right now you're looking at the Ethereum 4-hour chart. Gains in top altcoins come amidst mixed fundamental developments, with data from Glassnode showing that wallets holding at least 32 Ether have been steadily declining in the recent months, suggesting that fewer people are interested in becoming full validators for the network's upcoming proof-of-stake blockchain. Also, altcoins rally higher while the debate about whether or not the market is officially experiencing an alt season rages on. I mean, it's obvious when you see the Bitcoin dominance this low at a 3-year low and you see the Ether dominance leading the pack. We know alt season is amongst us right now. That's why a lot of people are converting their Bitcoin or even their Ethereum to the smaller cap altcoins, which are currently outpacing Bitcoin and Ethereum. One of of the trademark characteristics is sideways trading, Bitcoin that leads to traders refocusing their attention on the altcoin market and leading to a decline in the Bitcoin dominance, as I pointed out, which you can see right here in your screen. And one of the breakout stars of 2021 is Polygon, better known as Matic, which has seen the price rally 60% over the last 24 hours to reach a new record high of $1.75. How many of you are currently bullish on Matic? Let me know in the comments below. Another project whose price surged 45% from lows on May 13th is iExec RLC, a decentralized cloud computing network that got a boost of adrenaline earlier in the week after Coinbase revealed that it would list the token. It's interesting, anytime there's an announcement of Coinbase listing any particular crypto, even Doge, it pumps and breaks out like a mofo. Other notable performances include an 80% increase in the price of Ergo, better known as ERG, and a 48% increase in the price of Sora, XOR, which lifted the token's price back above $800. And the overall crypto market cap now stands at about $2.3 trillion, with the Bitcoin dominance rate at 40%. And before I break down our next story of the day, as Bitcoin price staggers, whale wallets may be becoming an endangered species, as well as Mark Cuban responding to Elon Musk and says that Bitcoin and crypto will benefit society as well as the environment, as well as Analyst names top crypto assets beyond Ethereum and says that Bitcoin remains bullish despite this recent pullback. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin correcting in the red, down 5%, trading just above $48,000. We have Ethereum down about 4%, trading at $3,800. We have Polkadot, one of the few in the green today, up 9%, trading at $45, as well as Cardano in the green, up 13%, trading at a new all-time high of $2.13 and currently in price discovery mode. Also, Matic up 18%, trading at $1.59. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. As Bitcoin looks to recover on Friday from a stomach-churning dip on the back of a strong bid, on-chain data indicates that high net worth whale wallets may not be a part of the effort. Bitcoin, along with most crypto markets, suffered a staggering series of losses this week following a string of negative tweets from the world's second richest man, Elon Musk, along with his FUD, as you can see in this tweet, Tesla and Bitcoin, where he announces they will no longer be accepting Bitcoin payments, and he says because of environmental reasons, but we all know it's FUD working closely with the government, misleading the masses, doing what they do best. Now, I love Max Keiser's response to all of this. The energy used to power Bitcoin is designed to kill central banks. Where the energy comes from is not important. Why? When central banks are gone, the total energy used globally drops by 3/4. If you don't understand this, you don't understand Bitcoin. Also love this response from Saifedean Ammous, the creator of the Bitcoin Standard. He wrote, Bitcoin consumes so much energy because it uses a fully mechanical and digital process to ascertain truth. It doesn't rely on the authority of anyone. It isn't a more energy intensive way of doing consumer payments. It's a less energy intensive way of achieving consensus than war. He also goes on to share, all attempts to compare Bitcoin energy consumption with banks, consumer payment technology, central banks, or gold completely misses the point of Bitcoin's real opportunity cost. Bitcoin doesn't replace these, and they can in principle coexist with Bitcoin. And I'll read one more for you right here. Bitcoin replaces the need for strangers to have to be subject to the same government and central bank in order to trade internationally, which necessitates one government imposing its will on the rest of the world, which can only be done with war. That, my friend, is a fact. And he goes on in this Twitter thread, makes a lot of great points. I highly recommend you checking it out. But now let's continue. While the prices have begun to rebound, whale wallets, a playful term for Bitcoin addresses with 1,000 or more BTC, have nonetheless been dwindling in the midst of the dip, indicating that the big players are moving into risk-off mode. According to data from Glassnode Analytics, the total number of wallets with 1,000 Bitcoin or more clocking at just over 2,100 addresses, down nearly 4.7% from the month prior, and down from nearly 2,500 in February. However, tracking whale wallet behaviors as an indicator of possible price movements has been an exercise in mixed signals as of late. Permable MicroStrategy added another 271 Bitcoin to its corporate treasury this week, which I covered with you in yesterday's episode, at a purchase price of about $15 million, raising its total number of BTC to now 91,850 BTC, a stockpile worth over $4.7 billion at today's Bitcoin prices. However, exchange inflows, often a sign that whales and other investors are selling BTC, hit 30,000 coins last week as well, though the experts say the price managed to withstand the pressure well. And right here on your screen, you're looking at the Bitcoin net exchange inflows according to Glassnode Analytics. And one key metric, however, is inarguably flashing bearish signs. Analysis last month showed that the whales and sellers have continued to offload BTC despite failing to make a profit on their trades. This could indicate that the sell side pressure may lead to a breakdown in the price of Bitcoin. That's right, as we've been correcting. And as you can see here from Glassnode Analytics, it shows you whale wallets from October 2020 to April 2021. Now, before I break down our next story of the day, Mark Cuban responds to Elon Musk and says that Bitcoin and crypto will benefit society as well as the environment, as well as Analyst names top crypto assets beyond Ethereum and says that Bitcoin remains bullish despite this recent pullback. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting above 2.2 trillion with 202 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And as I pointed out earlier, Bitcoin dominance at a 3-year low of 40%, while the Ethereum dominance at an all-time high of 19.9%. Now, checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have Polygon up 24%, trading at $1.64. Near Protocol up 14%, trading at $6.62. Chili's up 14%, trading at 50 cents. Cardano up almost 15%, trading at $2.16. And Polkadot up 10%, trading just under $46. Which altcoins in particular are you currently most bullish on? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now, checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 27 in fear. Yesterday was a 26, last week a 67, and last month a 79 in greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, like we're witnessing right now. BTFD, buy that freaking dip. When investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban says his NBA franchise will continue to accept Bitcoin as a payment despite Elon Musk's recent announcement that Tesla will not, which we all know is FUD. Cuban tells his 8.4 million Twitter followers that as a store of value, Bitcoin is in fact a better environmental alternative to gold, as he shares in this tweet in response to Elon Musk. We at Mavs.com will continue to accept Bitcoin, Ether, and Doge because we know that replacing gold as a store of value will help the environment, and shrinking big bank and coin usage will benefit society and the environment. And he references a few articles, including this one. Bitcoin does consume a lot of energy, but here's why it's worth it. Some people question Bitcoin's legitimacy because it uses huge amounts of electricity to maintain its network, but that's not a failing, says Dominic Frisby. It's what gives it value. That, my friend, is a fact. Now, checking out some of the responses. In reality, who is really using crypto to buy Mavs tickets or merchandise? It's a cute gimmick, but how many people are actually using this? Mark Cuban responded, thousands of dollars per week and growing. That's right, thousands of dollars per week in tickets and merchandise via Bitcoin, according to the billionaire. The professional basketball team is relatively early cryptocurrency adopter, first enabling Bitcoin payments back in May of 2019. Musk made waves across the crypto space this week when he told his 54.4 million Twitter followers right after an appearance on Saturday Night Live that Tesla will no longer accept Bitcoin for purchases. You can see how this is all engineered FUD. He cited concerns over Bitcoin's extensive energy use as the reason for the sudden change. Quoting him here, Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. And I like to point out the most important part of Elon's tweet. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin. So there you have it. I wonder why they're not selling their Bitcoin if it's so evil and damaging the environment. This is all FUD, engineered 100% at the end of the day. And I love Pompliano's response. Elon, you realize that 75% of miners use renewable energy, right? This energy story has been debunked over and over again. And I love Preston Pish's response. Did someone get yelled at by the government who pays you massive subsidies so you can stay in business each quarter? Touche. Musk says that the company is considering utilizing other crypto assets that consume less power in their business. I guess Dogecoin, right? Just another pump and dump crypto. Tesla began accepting Bitcoin back in February. That same month, Tesla announced it purchased $1.5 billion worth of BTC, thanks to Michael Saylor showing Elon Musk his playbook. Now, before I break down our final story of the day, Analyst names top crypto assets beyond Ethereum and says that Bitcoin remains bullish despite this recent pullback. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 780 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. Also have a blog I update daily, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. You can also find me me on all the major podcasts and platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Crypto News. Yes. And for those of you on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. And for those of you on TikTok, be sure to follow me there. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Popular analyst and trader Michael Poppe is providing his take on the latest market correction while naming a set of altcoins that have caught his attention, which I'm going to be revealing for you right here. Although the market is down amid the news that Tesla will stop accepting Bitcoin as a payment until the crypto meets the company's energy efficiency standards, which I shared with you earlier, Poppe is telling his 288,000 followers not to fret, sharing his tweet right here. It's great to see the strength on altcoins. Yes, we've got some news regarding Bitcoin and Elon Musk, but essentially not much has changed. The markets are still bullish. That's right, my friend. In a new video, the analyst tells traders that Bitcoin's swing below 50,000 is a normal corrective move, which Poppe anticipated would occur even without Elon Musk's recent tweets. Poppe notes that the altcoin market is holding up well and that many assets appear especially strong against Bitcoin. In particular, the trader is keeping an eye on 4 assets, which he says are building exciting ecosystems. Checking out his tweet here, I'm a huge fan of a broad ecosystem aside from Ethereum. Therefore, I've got interest in Polkadot, Cardano, but also in AVAX, which is Avalanche. Tomorrow, Avalanche, the first native application to launch on AVAX, will start trading on Pangolin. Interested in seeing the developments of this ecosystem. The first of the set is Ethereum competitor Cardano, better known as ADA, which is performing well amid the crash, up 15% on the day, while the rest of the market is down nearly 8% at the time of this recording. Poppe is also bullish on deflationary blockchain Avalanche, known as AVAX, which is launching the first asset in the ecosystem, which is Avalanche XAVA on Friday. Next up is Polkadot, another asset Poppe says is looking strong against Bitcoin amid the correction, acting as a signal that altcoins are still primed to advance upward. Quoting him here, some altcoins are doing well, and I think they are just going to continue. One of them is Polkadot. Dot is showing that we have strength in the altcoins. Ethereum is also showing strength. So there you have it. Now, checking out his most recent tweets this morning, people should relax more and shouldn't rely too much on what Elon Musk is saying. I couldn't agree more. That's emotional behavior. Just relax and enjoy life. Sage advice. He also tweeted an hour ago, I've sold most of my Matic around 45 cents, not in that position. Huge congratulations to the ones holding that one. It shows how massive altcoins can run during this cycle and why you should scale in when nobody discusses them. Plus, keep a big bag for such an expansion. Now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show. Altcoins pop while Bitcoin looks for support near $50,000. Also in today's show, I shared as Bitcoin price staggers, whale wallets may be becoming an endangered species, with the number of whale wallets down 16% since February. Also shared the latest wisdom from Max Kaiser. Also in today's show, I shared that Mark Cuban response to Elon Musk and says that Bitcoin and crypto will benefit society as well as the environment, where he referenced this article right here. Bitcoin does consume a lot of energy, but here's why it's worth it. Also in today's show, Analyst names top crypto assets beyond Ethereum and says that Bitcoin remains bullish despite this recent pullback. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, including weekends, just like this. And real quick before I go, I want to give a special shout out to Femex, the fastest crypto exchange and futures trading platform where you can trade the top cryptos, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Chainlink, and Cardano. And they have a special promo running right now where you can receive up to a $2,000 trading bonus. It's very simple to take advantage of this. In fact, it'll only take you 30 seconds to register and claim your bonus. All you got to do is use my referral link in the description right down below. Once you click it, it'll take you here. You'll notice the invitation code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this bonus. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below. Claim your free bonus. Let's start stacking those sats. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.